Making the best use of your time is really important to become successful and achieve your goals. If you can nicely make the best use of your time, you can get the best, productive, and successful life you always wanted. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Growth NYC Media, where we explore ways to become the best version of ourselves. In this video, we're diving into a topic that can transform your life, how to make the best use of your time. I will discuss 6 important steps, and it would be really helpful for you. Step number 1. Understanding the value of time. Let's start by understanding the true value of time. Understanding the value of time is like realizing how precious each moment is in our lives. Imagine you have a project to finish and you keep putting it off until the last minute. Suddenly, you find yourself rushing and stressed because you didn't manage your time well. Now, think about if you had planned ahead, setting aside small chunks of time each day. You would finish the project calmly and with better results. Time is a gift that we can't get back once it's gone. By respecting and using our time wisely, we can achieve more, enjoy life's moments fully, and make a positive impact on ourselves and others. Every minute wasted is a minute we cannot get back. So, how do we ensure we are making the most of our time? Let's find out. Step number 2. Set clear goals. You need to set clear goals. Without a destination, it's easy to get lost. There's a famous quote by Thomas Carlyle that says, "A man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder." Whether it's personal, professional, or educational, having clear, achievable goals gives you direction and purpose. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and more achievable. It is important to set SMART goals that are achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if you are a student, make clear goals of how to achieve best results, or become the top in your class and work for it to achieve your goals. If you're a businessman, you need to make a clear goal of how much profit you want to make, and you need to make proper planning and set strategies for it. Before I go to step number 3, it would be really helpful if you please subscribe to the channel. Step number 3. Prioritize your tasks. Next, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important first. Remember, if you spend more time on a task that is not important, that you have less time for the task that is really important and urgent. For example, if you have a project deadline tomorrow which is really urgent and important, and also a routine meeting next week that is not that urgent and less important, you know now that where to focus your energy. Step number 4. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is crucial. We live in a world full of distractions. Social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, Messenger are big examples because we spend a lot of time there when we have a lot of things to achieve. Remember, you need to achieve our financial freedom, but those distractions are really bad for achieving our goals. And even our own thoughts can pull us away from what's important. You need to create a workspace that minimizes interruptions. Turn off notifications, set specific times to check emails, and let others know when you're in focus mode. Step number 5. Divide your day into blocks of time. Time blocking or dividing your day into blocks of time is a powerful technique. Dividing your day into blocks of time would be really helpful to complete specific tasks or groups of tasks to increase productivity. This method helps ensure you allocate enough time to your most important activities. For example, set aside 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 11 to 12 p.m. for meetings, and 1 to 2 p.m. for emails. Then, 2 hours in the evening for the gym. Spend dinner time with family, and 7 to 8 hours sleep at night. Step number 6. Take breaks and rest. Don't underestimate the power of breaks. Our brains need rest to function at their best. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Longer breaks are essential too. Ensure you're getting enough sleep and taking time to recharge. Remember, a good sleep at night would be really helpful to increase your productivity the next day. Also, you're doing all of your hard work to make a better life and enjoy your life. So, don't forget to enjoy quality time with your family or loved one. Eat proper food and travel to a beautiful place when you get a chance as a reward for all of your hard work. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, making the best use of your time isn't about cramming as much as possible into your day. It's about being strategic, prioritizing what truly matters, and taking care of yourself along the way. I hope these tips inspire you to take control of your time and live a more fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Growth NYC Media. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. For more tips on personal development and self-growth, let me know in the comments which time management tips you found most helpful, and share your own strategies for making the best use of your time. See you in the next video.